YouTube. It is me. I am back. I am sick. And I'm bored. So, I'm gonna be playing Roblox. I don't exactly... Oh. Yeah, I got a concussion. Oh, wait. I'm sick. We playing Ragdoll. Because it's my favorite game. Oh. Bloop. I like to climb, right? And sometimes if you climb, you slip. And then it's like, oh, there I go. See? Watch. Oh. Ooh. Oh. My goal, the only motivation, because oh, what? Oh, hello? Why am, Why am I a noob? Oh, there I go. Oh, I broke my neck. Oh, well. Oh, shit. Damn. Yummy. In my butt. Yeah, get it, queen. Yes, girly. Oh. That, ooh. Jeez. I'm in the water. Oh. Look at that. Y'all watch this shit. Oh, there I go. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't mean. Oh, I just keep going up. What is happening? What is happening? Go this way. Go this way. Oh my god. Jesus. That didn't do anything. What the hell? What?